Dinosaurs Don't, Dinosaurs Do by Steve Bjorkman. For every kid who accidentally steps on someone's tail or pokes a friend with one of his or her horns. Dinosaurs don't do this. Dinosaurs do this. Dinosaurs don't run here. Dinosaurs do run here. Dinosaurs don't play like this. Dinosaurs play like this. Dinosaurs don't tell others what to like. You want red. Dinosaurs ask others what they want. You choose. Dinosaurs don't hit or bite. When they are mad, dinosaurs use words. Grrr! Help! You broke my toy. I'm sorry. Dinosaurs don't eat like this. Dinosaurs eat like this. Dinosaurs don't just take. Dinosaurs do share. Dinosaurs don't use mean words. Help me, you little runt. Dinosaurs do use nice words. Please, thank you. They don't yell here. Yahoo! They do yell here. Yahoo! When dinosaurs make a mess, they don't walk away. They clean up. Dinosaurs treat others as they want to be treated. That is why everyone loves dinosaurs.